I can barely get the announcement, but the siren should be going off today. Today is February 3rd, 2026. So Lewis and Clark's siren should be going off. I hope you enjoy this video. There it is. I hope you enjoy this. Oh, excuse me. Looks like there's more than one siren going off. Oh boy, it's so cold in here. I think there's one more going off. Let's see what that is. Something. I don't know what. Might just be traffic whizzing by. I don't know. Looks like they might have installed more than one. A nose siren, maybe. Because it sounds like there's more than one going off. Usually they have two. Unless there's a community nearby, which that's rare. Guess the wind must be blowing right for it. That's unusual. Well, that might just be traffic going by, but I don't know. That might be a siren going off. Oh, holy cow, it's cold in here. Yeah, I think that's just traffic going by. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's the college siren test. I think they got a new siren too. I'll have to figure that out. But until the meantime, this is Marie's Stick. Peace.